Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel here. Today I'm out. It is a beautiful day. The sun is out after weeks of rain. Some clouds in the sky. Thought I'd head down to the beach, check out a new location that I haven't been to yet since we moved here. Let's check out this scenery here. How'd it go? They got some awesome tables and chairs here up here to overlook the beach. Big Buddha. I think somewhere at it's about 30 meters tall. What a view from up here. Just stunning. They even have a little cactus garden up here. And there's a cave back there. It's a little dark. Let's go a little further. Now there's a lot of stairs. Whoa. Should I go up there? Maybe in a minute. See if this old man can get that far. Super nice. Now, do I really want to go up those stairs? Let's do it. I'm about halfway up and already out of breath. Let's go some more. Wow, what a view up here. All right, almost to the top. It's a long way down there. Up here at the top, there's a lot of buildings, but a lot of are closed in, caged. Not sure what they do up here anymore. Yeah, I'm a little out of breath from those stairs. They never ended. My first little monkey visitor there. Getting a drink of water. Yes, hi. And off he goes. Got his drink of water. He's over me. Now this building at the top's made of brick and concrete. Has a bunch of plaques on the outside. It looks like they're meant to be up on the wall. I'm not sure if they were up there and came down or they just never got around to putting them up there, but I'm not sure. If you know the answer, please put that in the comments and let me know, because I'm really curious. I'm not even sure how to look this up. So let me know. Let's look at the view from the other side of the mountain here, down to Koh Takiab. Little fishing village with resorts. Can't see it from here, but there's a little canal way down there where the fishing boats come in and dock at night. But it's a beautiful beach over there. Beautiful resorts. And at the top of the steps, we got another little friend monkey here. Hi, boo-boo. What you doing? There he goes. He's over me also. There's the one coming down out of the tree here. Hey, guy. Now back to the north side of the mountain where I came up from. It's like a little village down there. A lot of things have the cages around it to protect it from monkeys. Well, let's head back to those stairway of death and head back down. See you at the bottom. Okay, made it back to the bottom of the stairway, and I think I'll head out of here and go see what I can find. Well, my thoughts on visiting Monkey Mountain for the first time. Honestly, I was a bit underwhelmed. There's not much there except for the views you can see from up there. I mean, the views are gorgeous. There's some restaurants. I didn't stop to eat at any of those because I just had a breakfast at home. Some monkeys, they might be hiding right now, but let me know if have you been here? If you've been here, were you underwhelmed, overwhelmed, or thought it was really cool and you want to revisit? Let me know in the comments. I want to see if I'm the only one thinking I'm underwhelmed here. But hey, it was a fun adventure. I like that. Let's go see what adventure I can find next. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, that little picture of Jamie and I right here somewhere. And like and share, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.